And we are in front of the Rapido Dreamer booth, also with the new Ducato styling van. And getting inside to check all the specs of the Dreamer D55 Fine App Addict. It's a 599 Fiat Ducato van, and the final price for this messe is 74,450. And these are all the specs if you want to pause the video. And I will be getting firstly on the back to measure the actual bed situation and the bedding from this side, 1.320, and getting on that side it will be approximately also 1.3. So we have a pretty same dimension bed, but we have the pop-up roof. And let's measure the actual garage space, 1.280, and from this side we have 0.869. And I will be now entering to check some of the additional specs. Firstly, the pop-up roof, 1 minuten.
Yep, I can go
And then we have two big cabinets on this side and pretty wide sitting area with two isofix points, Dometic cooking, and we have 3 cabinets under it, pretty deep, not bad for a style like that. And then a big Thetford Tower fridge, and it opens on the right way, like big fridges, of course. And then additional storage on the top. And this is the situation, and it gets pretty fun. This is the actual shower unit. It also acts as a cabinet, or actually big compartment where you can store items. And from this side right here, I shall be understanding that this is the actual bathroom situation, and then you can close the complete section when open and make a separate room for your bathroom shower. Not bad at all. It's actually a pretty clever design. Sleeps 4 and rides 4. I will be getting outside to finish this review of the Dreamer Rapido D55 Up Addict. Nice.